Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This week we'll be talking about powered mobile equipment. But before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos. Also subscribe to the channel where you will find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Also make sure that you share this video with your associates and co-workers and comment on the contents of the video. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about something that moves fast, weighs tons, and doesn't always see you coming. That's powered mobile equipment. Whether it's a loader, an excavator, or a forklift, this equipment is a powerhouse on the construction site. It moves materials, clears space, and helps us get the job done. But make no mistake, PME can be as dangerous as it is useful. Now, before we get into the do's and don'ts, I want you to think about this. Have you ever been on a site and heard a machine moving behind you, but you weren't sure if the operator saw you? That split second of uncertainty, that's exactly the kind of risk we need to eliminate. Every day, every shift. Powered mobile equipment doesn't discriminate. It doesn't care how long you've been in the trade. If you're in a blind spot or standing in the wrong place at the wrong time, the consequences can be life-changing or life-ending. So how do we protect ourselves and each other? Let's break it down. Number 1, identification. Know what you're dealing with. First, identify the equipment in use on your site. What's running today? Skid steers, backhoes, telehandlers? Each one has different blind spots, different turning radii, different risk. If you don't know where the hazards are, how can you avoid them? Operators can't always see you. That's just not a figure of speech. It's a reality. These machines are big, loud, and visibility is often limited. The bigger the machine, the bigger the blind spot. So don't assume the operator knows where you are. Make sure they do. Number 2, communication and control. Talk before you move. Clear communication saves lives. That's why safety protocols are written into law. OSHA 1926 Subpart O deals specifically with powered mobile equipment. And if you're near overhead lines, 1926.600A6. These aren't suggestions. They're legal requirements designed to keep you alive. Employers must set the tone. They need to review and enforce safe work procedures, train workers thoroughly, and establish safety zones, clear areas where PME is working and pedestrians are not allowed. Nobody should approach the equipment unless it's stopped and the operator has signaled that it's safe. No gray area, no assumptions. Number 3, operators. Own your zone. If you're operating powered mobile equipment, you carry a massive responsibility. Start with a proper pre-operational inspection. Every day, no exceptions. Check that everything's working, from your brakes to your backup alarm to your beacon. Before you move, check your surroundings. Look for workers, look for hazards, check for buried utilities. If permits are required, make sure you've got them. And when you're working, stay off the phone. That text or call can wait. One distraction could cost someone their life. And here's something simple but critical. Don't carry a load higher than necessary. The higher the load, the more you block your own line of sight. If you can't see what's in front of you, how will you know if someone stepped into your path? Number 4, ground workers. Don't cut corners. For those working near PME, You've got to stay sharp, wear high visibility PPE, and don't ever take shortcuts across the area where machines are operating. Your time isn't more valuable than your safety. Before the shift starts, know which machines are running and where. Stay aware. If you have to work near a piece of equipment, make eye contact with the operator first. A nod, a wave, something to confirm they've seen you. Never assume. Remember, just because you can see the operator doesn't mean they can see you. Number 5, blind spots, the silent danger. Blind spots are one of the biggest threats on any construction site. Picture this: you're standing 2 feet behind a dump truck. The operator climbs in, checks his mirrors, sees nothing, and throws it in reverse. You're in the blind spot. The backup alarm's going, but you're in danger zone. It's already too late. Understand the machine's dimensions. Know where the operator sits. Know the areas where you're invisible and stay out of those zones. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, safety around powered mobile equipment comes down to 3 things: awareness, communication, and respect for the machines, the rules, and each other. PME can either help us finish strong or send someone home in an ambulance. The choice is ours, every moment, every move. So whether you're behind the controls or walking the site, keep your head on a swivel, speak up, and stay visible, because no job is worth a life. Let's get it done, but let's get it done safe. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on it. I appreciate you stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you comment on the contents of this video and share this with your coworkers and associates. And also one final thing, look out for yourself, because you're number 1. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And as always, have a grateful day, and we'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.